Hello! Let's learn some colors. Orange color, red color, dark green color, black color, purple color, sky blue color, yellow color, pink color, violet color, brown color. Let's try to draw some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Red color. A for apple. A. Dark green color. B for banana. Sky blue color. C for candy. Yellow color. D for doll. Pink color. E for elephant. Violet color. F for fish. Light green color. G for grapes. Purple color. H for hen. Orange color. I for ice cream. Light green color. J for jellyfish. Brown color. K. K for kite. Red color. L. L for lemon. Sky blue color. M. M for mango. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.